Hello and welcome to the part 11 of this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to add some interactive menus to this emergency page. So let's add the page first. I'll go to menu screen and I will add a new page that will be emergency.dart, and as usual you have to add some stateless widget. So I will give class name emergency, and as usual I will add material dot dart. Instead of that I will just copy this drawer, and app bar is below, so let's copy this first two lines. Along with that I will copy app bar also. You can import it, no problem, but I can just copy it. And along with that I can import uh, app bar and drawer. So instead of container, we should have scaffold, and in that just paste it. My app bar is showing error because it's quite obvious. App bar is not in that. I have to, yeah. Dot dot means it will go one step behind the structure and it will go into the app bar folder and it will find my app bar. So that's it. We'll quickly link this, but before that linking, we have to add route name for this page. So static const route name, it should be const route name, and route name will be emergency. So we'll give semicolon at the end and save this file. Once you save this, come to the routes part of the material app. Here you can have emergency class dot route name and pass context, and context should redirect to emergency class. So this is the space in between which is not allowed. Okay, save this, and in the home screen, last part, home screen, you have to add that. So I will write emergency dot route name, and by doing this we are able to go on the emergency page. So next part, in this we will add on the emergency page I will quickly add one design, and I will follow that design. So in the body we will have column. Because why column? Because we have multiple widgets, and for multiple widgets we always prefer column. Press escape to remove that white patch. And in column I can have multiple child. My first child will be the multiple children, so children widget, and it will be card. So I am having a card and press escape. Card can have direct child as a container, and container can have different widgets or designs. So if I go to emergency, you cannot see anything, so I will press elevation, and elevation can be, let's say, 10, and container can have a color or child as a text, let's say, and this is called. So you can see this is the card, but I should have the container with the length. So width will be double dot infinity, that is up to the screen of the up to the full screen. Yeah, right. This is the card, and I will have some light color also for that container. So color, I will give colors dot amber, and I will give the shading of 200, so that it should not be very dark. Okay, so this is the color, and after that what I will do, I want button as well as text. So you know, if you want two widgets, then you have to go for column, nothing but else. So column is the option, and column will have multiple children. So first children will be text, and text will be hello. This is the emergency helpline for corona related cases taken from Government of India site. If you save this, you will have this, and below that you should have one button on which if you press you will be redirected to that calling facility directly. So I will have raised button, and raised button should be should have some function. At present function should be null, and its child will be press escape, and its child will be the text which will be printed on that button, call us. So if you see this, yeah, this is, but this is not the layout perfectly we want. So what I will do, I will give some padding. So padding shall be age inset dot all, and from all side I will give padding of 10. So 10 is not enough. I will give, it will be 20. Okay, so padding is not applicable to this outermost. So 10 padding is okay. 10 padding is okay for from inside, but from outside also I want to compress this container. So what I have to do is I will wrap this entire column uh, with the padding widget. There is one widget called padding. So if I write padding, and that yellow line indicates you need to have some concrete child, that padding is the child. So it insert dot all 20, and if you see, yeah, that is fine. So this is the card. Now what we will do, we will quickly give the style to this text and button also. So style, sorry, this comma style, and it should be textile. And textile should have different animator for fonts. So font size, press escape. Font size should be 20, and font weight should be font weight dot bold. You can play with this if you want. You can have multiple different types. Okay, now call us. We will copy the same style, and I will paste it up to the last second last comma, and I will paste it here, giving comma, and then if I save it, that is the call us button. And I'll have some divider. So divider between this text, and it will be nice to have this divider with a thickness of 3, and give comma to have multiple widgets. Yeah, this is fine. Now colors button should have the color. So the child and raise button can have the color option, I think. So if I see, yeah, color is option is there. So primary, what we will write, theme dot of context, control Z, theme dot of context dot primary color, and primary color is purple. So it will be nice to see. So this is the callers function, and I think text color should be white to match this. Color should be white to match this. So what I will do, instead ahead of bold, write color, and color will be colors dot white. So if you save this, yeah, now I think it's look nice. So this is the column in which we have text, divider, and button. If you want that button to be fully occupied, then you can have refactored, and refactor it with container. Press Alt Shift F for formatting so that you can have clear idea what's going on. And in meanwhile, in the container you can give width, and that width should be double dot infinity, and if you do that width, yeah, that width will match with the entire card. So this is the design of one of the card, and I think we will copy this card and we can have this pasted everywhere, or you can define the function also, no problem. But we have only 3 cards, so I will just copy this card, and this card will be, I will comment card for calling. Then I can have next widget after this. So give comma. Look, this is the column of widget, and this is the outer column. So I can paste the second card here, and if I write Control V and give comma at the end again. So if I save it, you can see 2 cards. Yeah, so you can see 2 cards, but instead of callers, now we will have the link of WhatsAppers. and we will have third card. Here we can write card for WhatsApp, and we can have the third card for mail, let's say. So we can write here mail us, and this is the card for, give comma here, don't forget, and this is the card for mail. Save it. So WhatsApp us, mail us, and call us. Now what is remaining is some little bit description. Hello, this is emergency helpline for. So we will edit this related cases taken from government. Yeah, that is okay. Emergency helpline, emergency. So in mail us, function, this is emergency email ID for corona cases, and I will write this is emergency WhatsApp number for corona related cases, and so on. Right. So what is remaining now? It's just we want to add this launching action. So what I will do, I will import the URL launcher package which we had already imported. You can see my part 9 or 10, so you can get the idea. Now we have that URL launcher. What I will do, in the on press button of call us, so you can see call us, and this is the on press function. In the on press function, if you write launch, and launch is a function provided by this URL launcher. So I will write tell, look, tell, and tell is telephone, and what I will do, I will get the number from Government of India side, and for that I have to write Corona India. Uh, so you can see this is the site COVID-19 mygov.9, and from that website we can have our data. I think it's taking little bit time, but no problem. Yeah, we got it. So this is the helpline number, and this is the number 011 011 2397. So I will write 0112397 8046. Right. So I will give semicolon at the end. Again, in the WhatsApp on press, if you come here in the WhatsApp on press, you have to write launch, and at the end of the launch, give comma, semicolon, sorry, and in this URL string you need to redirect to WhatsApp. So if you live headers of WhatsApp, you can see this API. Let me tell you how to redirect to WhatsApp. This is the API, https://war.me. So I will just copy link address, and I will go to here, and I will paste it. So that should be in single quotes. Okay. So if you click on this, you will be redirected to WhatsApp. And last but not least is our mail. And for mail function, what you will do, you can have this SMS also, no problem. Launch. For mail, you have to use this mail to keyword, and whatever mail ID, this is the mail ID encode 2019 So this is the encode 2019 at gov.in. So this is the email ID. So we are done with all these things, and now we are ready to test it. I hope you have understood this much. And if I save this, and if I click on call us, nothing that anything will be whatever you have written, that number will be redirected. So if you check this, sorry, this is not, this is WhatsApp, this tell. So tell function will take you to the telephonic directory, and this number will be dialed in front of your screen. Apart from that, if you come back and if you click on WhatsApp us, you will be redirected to the WhatsApp, but at presently WhatsApp is not installed. So if you have WhatsApp, it will definitely take you to the WhatsApp, I assure you that. And if you click on mail us, then it will take you to the mail function, and that mail function will be opened by this emulator. Look, you come to the Gmail. So this is how our third module was. Sorry, not third. The 11th part of this lecture was, and I hope you understand. It was quite easy, and it little bit. The part of this has been done earlier, so it was quite easy for you to launch and to interact with system apps. So I hope you understand this, and we'll be doing the next part that will be about us. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and please like it. Till then, Jai Hind. We'll visit soon. Thank you.